We all see the future coming, a future powered by solar, stored in batteries, driven by electric vehicles, where after a long day we take a hot shower powered by heat pumps. The question is, how do we, as a Strata community, move from seeing that future to actually building it? Sustainability projects, like electrification projects, recycling projects, composting, or growing zucchinis in community veggie pods, are not just technical puzzles, they are financial, logistical, and cultural minefields. To succeed, we can't just rely on good intentions. We need more than good vibes and reusable coffee cups. We need a team, specifically a Strata committee with four very different but equally compelling personalities. I want to introduce you to the four pillars of getting things done in Strata. The more of these that you have on the Strata committee, the more chance of success in transforming your building. Number one, the bean counter. This is our accountant or financial manager, the one who comes armed with a calculator, spreadsheet, or a very sharp pencil. While the greenie dreams of solar panels on every roof, the bean counter dreams of government rebates and a balanced budget. They ask the hard questions. Can we afford it? Will it pay us back? And why does this Wi-Fi repeater cost $1,000? They're the guardians of the Capital Works Fund and the reason your building didn't spend its entire budget on new bike racks. Without them, your strata levies would be on an upward spiral. As an example, the bean counter from a strata in Neutral Bay can inform residents that they can influence apartment values by $380,000 just by installing double glazed windows, solar and EV charging. That's right, there is a payoff for greening your building. Number two, the tinkerer. Usually retired, always suspicious of anything that involves Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. They've built bridges, fixed boilers, and once rewired a toaster just for fun. While the bean counter worries about dollars, the tinkerer worries about things like load-bearing walls and not electrocuting the residents. They ask, is it safe? Is it feasible? Why does this solar inverter look like it was designed by IKEA? They speak fluent contractor. Spot dodgy wiring from 50 paces, and without them, your building ends up with a battery system that doubles as a fire hazard and a lawsuit. Number three, the greenie. The heart, soul, and raw granola of the team. They own 3 Keep Cups, and are the ones who voluntarily take the plastic out of the cardboard recycling bin and transfer it to the rubbish bin. If you are the one that does this, you know who you are. They ask the big questions. What's our ethical duty? How do we future-proof this building for future generations? Can we turn the car park walls into hydroponic gardens with nutrient fog? They're the ones who keep the momentum going when everyone else is stuck in analysis paralysis. They'll write impassioned emails, rally the residents, and probably quote Saul Griffith at least once. Without them, the project loses its soul and its urgency. Number 4, the tech evangelist. Usually the first person in the building to own an EV. The tinkerer guarantees that the system works, but the tech evangelist is thinking about the user experience on different mobile phone apps for EV charging, e-bike sharing. They ask, how do we make this easy? Can I charge my e-bike with my phone? Why can't we connect the solar app to the EV charging app? They're the bridge between the tech and the humans who have to use it. They'll demo their EV charging setup at the Christmas barbecue, explain smart meters like they're narrating a documentary, and push for scalable infrastructure that doesn't require a PhD to operate. Without them, your building ends up with a brilliant system that no one knows how to use, like a VCR in 2025. In summary, the key to success is not having one of these people, it's having at least 2 and hopefully 3 or 4 of them on the Strata committee so you can turn your Strata committee into a squad of superheroes. The bean counter makes it affordable. The tinkerer makes it durable. The greenie makes it meaningful. And the tech evangelist makes it usable. They challenge each other, balance each other, and occasionally drive each other nuts. But when they work as a team, your Strata doesn't just approve a project, it builds a legacy. Teamwork makes the green work.